bạn trong khơi bị phía sang lời chỉ trán đại tự xe đòi bà ông sa mà nê sa rạch hai bị từng ở nú bị tiện tuồng từ nâng bị bật thò chẳng trong trong an chỉ bị phía sang lễ ở bóng bà ôn từng ở khía riêng an chỉ mùi nhom từng ở khía nè ok chẳng phải giáo bày giang chẳng phải giáo bày giang ông lê thà mấy ông lê thà three kind of benefits xong an bằng tiếng three kind of benefits chẳng phải giáo bày giang bạn chẳng phải giáo tí mùi giáo tí pi giáo tí bày ok chẳng xong án the benefit in the present the benefit in the present chẳng phải giáo tí mùi bà phải giáo tí pi the benefit hereafter the benefit hereafter bạn the benefit hereafter chẳng phải giáo tí pi phải giáo tí bày the benefit of ultimate reality the benefit of ultimate reality chẳng biết này an thà reality ឬក៏អានថា reality អញ្ចឹងការអានមានអង់គ្លេសតាមបែបនៃកាំងណាមាន UK និង US បាទពេលខ្លះអានខុសគ្នាតិចតួចអញ្ចឹងអានថា reality ក៏បាន reality ក៏បាន lit ក៏បាន lit ក៏បានអូខេហើយពាក្យនេះយើងអានថា ultimate 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 អញ្ចឹងប្រយោគទី3 slide ទី2បាទនិរោធសច្ចៈឬក៏និព្វាន2បាទនិរោធសច្ចៈនិព្វាន2អូខេអញ្ចឹងសូមអានជាពាក្យភាសាអង់គ្លេស the truth of cessation of suffering the truth of cessation of suffering បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងបកប្រែខាងលើហ្នឹងប្រែថានិរោធសច្ចៈឬក៏និព្វាន2អូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលមានតែ2យ៉ាងឥឡូវយើងមើលនិព្វាន2យ៉ាងមានដូចជា Nibbana with the remaining of 5 aggregates បាទសូមអានទៀត Nibbana with the remaining of 5 aggregates បាទអញ្ចឹងសូមអានពាក្យនេះអានថា Nibbana with the remaining of 5 aggregates អញ្ចឹងពាក្យនេះអានថា aggregates បាទទី2 Nibbana without the remaining of 5 aggregates អូខេសូមអានទៀត Nibbana without the remaining of 5 aggregates ព្រះត្រៃសិក្ខាអូខេអញ្ចឹងសូមអានអ្នកគ្នា the three trainings បងទៀត the three trainings បាទអញ្ចឹងមាន3អូខេមានសិលសមាធិបញ្ញាអូខេ morality 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 អញ្ចឹងសូមអានពាក្យទី2សមាធិ concentration or meditation concentration or meditation បាទអញ្ចឹងពាក្យនេះយើងអានថា concentration ពាក្យនេះអានថា meditation បាទអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាសមាធិបញ្ញា wisdom បាទអានទៀត wisdom អូខេ slide ទី4បាទពាក្យនេះគឺត្រៃលោកអង់គ្លេសថា the three worlds បងទៀត the three worlds បាទអញ្ចឹងកម្មភូមិអញ្ចឹងយើងអានថា sensual world sensual world ពាក្យនេះអានថា real of form real of form បាទអញ្ចឹងពាក្យអានថា real បាទតទៀត formless real formless real បាទអញ្ចឹងមើលបន្តទៀតវត្តដាក់3អង់គ្លេសថា the three cycles the three cycles បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងប្រែថាវត្តដាក់3អញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនបកប្រែខ្លួនឯងខ្ញុំគាត់អានពាក្យភាសាអង់គ្លេសទេ the cycle of defilement the cycle of defilements អូខេអញ្ចឹង the cycle of defilement អូខេមួយទៀត the cycle of action the cycle of action the cycle of result the cycle of result 5 kind of human being 5 kind of human being បាទអញ្ចឹងប្រែថាមនុស្ស5ប្រភេទមនុស្សប្រភេទទី1ទី2អញ្ចឹងមកបាទអូខេ deity like human deity like human real human real human animal like human hungry ghost like human hungry ghost like human hell like human hell like human ព្រះត្រៃបិដក the three Buddhist baskets the three Buddhist baskets the three Buddhist canons the three Buddhist canons បាទអញ្ចឹងចង់និយាយថាព្រះត្រៃបិដកហ្នឹងអាចនិយាយបានពីរពាក្យអញ្ចឹងណា discipline discipline discourse discourse higher doctrine higher doctrine or ultimate reality ultimate reality ultimate reality អរិយសច្ចៈ4 the four noble truths the four noble truths the truth of suffering the truth of suffering or unsatisfactoriness unsatisfactoriness the truth of cause of suffering the truth of cause of suffering the truth of cessation of suffering the truth of cessation of suffering the truth of path leading to the cessation of suffering the truth of path leading to the cessation of suffering ភាវនា2 two types of meditation two types of meditation strength quality concentration meditation strength quality concentration meditation បាទចឹងពាក្យនេះ insight concentration meditation insight concentration meditation ត្រៃលក្ខធម៌ the three universal of Dhamma states the three universal Dhamma states the three marks of existence the three marks of existence the three common characteristics the three common characteristics impermanence impermanence suffering suffering no soul no soul or non-self or non-self សម្បត្តិ3យ៉ាង the three of stressors the three of stressor the three of stressor នេះអានថា stressor the treasures of human the treasures of human the treasures of deity the treasures of deity the treasures of nibbana the treasures of nibbana ពុទ្ធពរ4ប្រការ the four blessings of the Buddha the four blessings of the Buddha longevity longevity complexion complexion nobility nobility beauty beauty happiness happiness health health energy energy លោកធម៌8 the worldly Dhamma the worldly Dhamma the worldly Dhamma មានលៀប gain gain មានយស reputation reputation of fame reputation of fame reputation of fame fresh fresh happiness happiness no gain no gain no reputation no reputation blame blame suffering suffering the four elements the four elements the four elements earth elements earth element cohesion element cohesion element cohesion element heat element heat element motion element motion element ទេវធម៌2 two Dhamma of deity two Dhamma of deity shamefulness shamefulness streetfulness blissfulness អារម្មណ៍2 two objects two objects pleasant object pleasant object unpleasant object unpleasant object two extremes two extremes self indulgent self indulgent self mortification self mortification Higher doctrine. Higher doctrine. Classification of Dhamma. Classification of Dhamma. Divisions. Divisions. Discourse on elements. Discourse on elements. The books on individuals. The books on individual. Points of controversy. Points of controversies. The books of pairs. The books of pairs. The book of casual relation. The books of casual relation. ប្រវត្តិ3យ៉ាងរបស់ព្រះពុទ្ធ The three teachings of Buddha. The three teachings of Buddha. Do not do evil deed. Do not do evil deed. Do good deed. Do good deed. Purify one's own mind. Purify one's own mind. These are the teachings of the Buddha. These are the teachings of Buddha. គូព្រឹត្តគូព្រេង The last long spouse. The last long spouse. The balance of faith. The balance of faith. The balance of morality. The balance of morality. The balance of sacrifice. The balance of sacrifice. The balance of wisdom. The balance of wisdom. The four types of noble person. The four types of noble person. The four types of noble person. Stream winner. Stream winner. Once returner. Once returner. Non-returner. Non-returner. Mercy or Arahant. Mercy or Arahant. Mercy or Arahant. ព្រហ្មវិហារធម៌ 4. The four sublime Dhamma states. The four sublime Dhamma states. Loving kindness. Loving kindness. Compassion. Compassion. Sympathetic joy. Sympathetic joy. Equanimity. 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 ទេវទូត 4. The four omens. The four omens. Old person. Old person. Sick person. Sick person. This person. This person. Monk. Monk. ទុក 4 កង Four types of agony. Four types of agony. Birth. Birth. Decay. Decay. Or aging. Aging. Or old age. Old age. Disease. Disease. Or sickness. Sickness. Or ailment. Ailment. Dist. 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 កម្ម 3 យ៉ាង Three action. Three action. Badility. Action. Badility action. Badility action. Verbal action. Verbal action. Mental action. Mental action. សភាវធម៌ 2. Physical phenomena. Physical phenomena. Mental phenomena. Mental phenomena. Mental phenomena. The four accomplishments. The four accomplishments. Will. Will. Effort. Effort. Consciousness. Consciousness. Investigation. Investigation. អគតិធម៌ 4. The four ways in which one commits evil. The four ways in which one commits evil. The four ways in which one commits evil. Led by desire. Led by desire. One commits evil. One commits evil. Led by hatred. Led by hatred. One commits evil. One commits evil. Led by delusion. Led by delusion. One commits evil. One commits evil. Led by fear. Led by fear. Led by fear. One commits evil. One commits evil. one commits evil. The four requisites, the four requisites, the four requisites: clothing, clothing, food, 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 lodging, lodging, medicine, medicine, medicine,